Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to view song lyrics on Spotify. So the first thing that I need to do is just to open your Spotify application first. Okay. Now, choose an artist or a song that you want to listen to. So for example, the Ariana Grande the artist, and then choose a song that you want to play. So we're gonna play Into You. Now to expand the page, you just have to click on this one here while the music is playing, and then you just have to scroll down, and then you'll be able to see the lyrics of that song. Now you can also expand this one, so you can be able to see the whole lyrics. Just have to tap on this. Okay. Now you can scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you can see everything from here. Okay. Now you can also change your song and then do the same step again. I know some of you has the power of voice that you know how to sing and you can sing. So this tutorial is very helpful for you, so you'll be able to see the lyrics. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorial in the future. Bye-bye.